All right, let's unbox the new Lite, L-I-T-E, from Matrix MobilityScooter. It folds, it has a power folding, and we're very excited because it's a little bit larger than the three-wheel City. That one is meant for like airplanes, cruises. It was a little small, and I think this one is going to be the perfect in between. The seat looks a lot more comfortable. Ooh, nice snapping. All right, I'm going to lift this up. I see the power button on the back already, but it doesn't have the battery. Battery came in a separate box. There's your power on there. So key, user manual. Let's see how good that is. On and off. It doesn't tell you how to open it. All right. It just tells you how to operate it. So how do we get this to unfold without a battery? This adjusts the levers up and down. I can see that. Oh, I made it more complicated. Okay, it's powered. So I don't want to force anything. Here's the battery. You match the prongs with the inserty things. It looks like I can fit it right in there. Oh my God, that was cool. That was cool. So yes, I'm like, I figured it needs power because it's a power, that's the beauty of this, is that you use the power to open it and close it. So the arms were put on upside down for packaging, so this just twists out. I'll show on the other side. So this came like this. I unscrewed this. Line up the hole. Okay, I got it threaded. So there's one side. Now it comes with the key. So I've got two keys. They look like they match. So that's the spare. Turns on. I also see a power button here. That puts it in neutral. That puts it in drive. Okay, now this is a nice, easy, adjustable handlebar, just like a bicycle. Typical for mobility, you have the speed. So you have turtle and rabbit. I'm going to turn it down to turtle. Reverse. The four wheels. So four wheels are great for stability, but you do lose turning radius. Okay. Oh, hello, Dasha. All right, let's see. So this just stays put. That goes down. We'll put the other one on there. This can go much higher. Oh, can it? Yep, that's as high as it goes. I like that. I'm 5'3", so if you were tall, you can see that it's got plates here that have some anti-slip. So I'm stretching this way, so this will definitely fit a bigger man. Now I noticed that there is movement here, which makes sense because it folds there. Let's look at the bottom on it, right? Battery, motor, oh, and then your pivot there. Okay, so it's powered. Let's see. Turn it off this way. Oh, I didn't expect that. I just took the key out and it's folding itself. Okay. I don't know what A and B means yet. I'll find that out. So let's turn it on. Okay, nothing happened. I don't know what A and B means yet. Because remember, I just put the battery in and it's opened. Okay, we got it figured out. There's two ways of folding these. Has nothing to do with the power. So I initially thought that this was the speed. It's not, because you have the dial for speed on the top here, right? Of course, they're not connected. So you can either use the remote, and in order to remove the in order to use the remote, this position has to be on 0. 1 folds it, 2 unfolds it. So if you lose your remote, you can still fold it, and that's the purpose of that. Then you come back here, press it to 2. Beautiful. That didn't take much, and actually the instructions were pretty decent. Didn't tell us how to take it out of the box, but that's okay. That's what we're here for. So now I want to use the remote. So I'm going to put it on 0. A opens it, B closes it. Oh, and you have to press and hold it. Yeah, that's a nice feature too. You have to press and hold as it goes. And now we're going to open it, so press and hold A. That's easy. That's great. So it's a 24 volts. It's a 24 volt battery, and oh, it's on the battery itself. My apologies. I am just going to take this out. There, just give it a pull. And so yeah, it's a 24 volt system, because you have here 24, and it is a 10 amp hour battery. Amp hour means distance. So what does that mean for distance? Average size person, 175. I'm going to say you're going to get between, I know it's a big range, but 30 to 50 kilometers. Depends on your weight, depends on hills. But 10 amp hour is pretty respectable. The other system we have is only a 7 amp hour. So that's good. This is going to get you all through the mall, the airport, wherever you need to go. And so yeah, I knew when Matrix brought it in that this was going to do well, because it's just the size and the seat. Okay, you guys know my butt's not that small. It fits mine very well. So yeah, so happy to add this to the lineup. Price is listed below.